in my fort. I'm trapped. Boys, there's lots of holes. What do I gotta do? Guys, you don't know how scary this is. Where's my guitar? Get my guitar. I want to get my guitar wet. Oh my god. Guys, it's raining. I'm out in my fort. I'm all wet. Hey, I'm actually keeping warm. It is keeping me warm. I got a pillow right here. I gotta make sure this doesn't get wet. But the wind might blow my thing over. I'm out in the rain. Oh my god, it's actually raining. It's actually raining while I'm out here. Look at how many holes there are. There's holes in this thing. How am I keeping up? Oh, you can't see the wind. Wait, did it just slow down in the rain? I don't think it stopped raining. I can still hear it. It might have slowed down. Oh yeah. Oh, it's very slightly drizzling now. It ain't storming as bad as it just was. But yeah, it is. I mean,